A very happy morning to my cute little children. How are you kids? Are you happy at home? Yes, I know you are happy because our studies are going very well, right? So children, we have completed our first chapter. I have given you the notes. I hope you are completing your notes, right? Now children, we will begin our next chapter, that is subject and predicate. Okay kids, so are you all ready? Come on, let's start. This is the revision of our last chapter. Our last chapter was the sentences. We know that a sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense. Okay, we all know that sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense. Example, this is Suhana. Suhana is a good student. I can say Kitharthi is a good student. Rudra is a good student. Okay, now let's see. Why Suhana is circled, kids? Why it is circled here? A sentence can be divided into two parts. एक sentence जो होता है उसके दो part होते हैं. What are those parts? Subject and predicate. What was the sentence? Suhana is a good student. Okay. Now Suhana is a subject, is a good student, is a predicate. Why Suhana is a subject and is a good student a predicate? We will learn it now. Suhana is a good student, Suhana is a subject, yes. Suhana is the subject because the sentence is about Suhana. जो sentence था वो किसके ऊपर था? सुहाना के बारे में था ना कि सुहाना is a good student. Rudra is a good student. Rudra, you are watching the video now? Rudra is a good student. तो मेरा sentence किसके ऊपर है? Rudra के ऊपर है. The words is a good student is the predicate because this part tells us something about the subject Suhana. Suhana, subject, because the sentence is about Suhana is a good student. It is a predicate because it is the part of the sentence and it is telling something about Suhana. Okay kids, we will see more examples now. The part of a sentence, the part of the sentence which tells us what the sentence is about is called subject, and this is the definition of subject. What is subject? The part of the sentence, the part of a sentence which tells us what the sentence is about. Sentence किसके बारे में है? वो होता है subject. Okay, the part of a sentence which tells us something about the subject is the predicate. This is the definition of predicate. जो हमारा subject है उसके बारे में हमें जो पता चले वो होता है predicate. Okay kids? Subject and predicate definition gone. Now we are having, oh why she is smiling, such a cute smile, है ना? Okay, let us read some more sentences. Birds fly. This is sentence number 1. Okay. This is my sentence 1. Birds fly. And it is divided in two parts, subject and predicate. हमारा यहाँ subject क्या है? Birds. Okay, because this sentence is about whom? This sentence is about birds. And predicate is fly. Second one. This is my sentence number 2. The birds flew away. Okay. So the birds is my subject. Whom the sentence is about? It is about the birds. तो मेरा subject हुआ the birds. And what is being told about the birds? They flew away. So the birds is my subject. Flew away is my predicate. Now we will come to the third example. The two babies were feeling scared. The two babies were feeling scared. Whom the sentence is about? The sentence is about the two babies. So my subject is the two babies. And what will be my predicate? Were feeling scared. Do you want to see these two babies who are feeling scared? I will show you. Birds fly. See, birds are flying. The birds flew away. The two babies are feeling scared. See, the two babies are feeling scared. Now children, did you notice something? That when I was finding out what is the subject, I was asking a question. Whom the sentence is about? Whom the sentence is about? जब भी आपको पता लगाना है कि सेंटेंस में सब्जेक्ट कौन सा है, प्रेडिकेट कौन सा है, तो आप क्या करेंगे? आप क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे. Whom the sentence is about? So kid, for today we will study this much, and now I will show you a worksheet. So now children, you will be solving worksheet in your notebook. Okay, you will copy the question and you will write the answer. Then you will give me and I will check. Okay kids, I'm very much satisfied with the worksheet I got from you. I'm very happy children that you are studying at home. Okay, do this work as you are doing. So this is our worksheet number 1, chapter, subject and predicate. In your notebook, you will have to put the date in the column section. Then write the heading worksheet number 1, chapter 1, subject and predicate. Then identify the subjects and predicate in the given sentences. We have to identify the subject and the predicate. I have solved question number 1 for your reference, that how you have to write the answer. Question 1. Sumi came first in the class. Whom the sentence is about? किसके बारे में है ये sentence? It is about Sumi. So my subject is Sumi. What will be my predicate? Came first in the class. So how you will write the answer? First you will write subject, then you will write the subject here, then you will write predicate, underline subject and predicate both, and then you will write the predicate here. So you will have to solve 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th and 6th. I will read the questions for you. Fatima and Asin are good friends. The children of the junior classes have a holiday tomorrow. Stand in a queue. Vishal is absent. Across the river is the small village. And yes, I have given a small hint for you so that it is easy for you. What is the hint? To find the subject, ask what the sentence is about, or ask about whom is this sentence. Okay kids, I have given the explanation, I have given the worksheet, I have solved one question for you, I have given the hint. Now it is your turn. Okay, do your work very well. Okay, enjoy a lot, play a lot, be happy. God bless you.